Friends, today I'm starting with one more series called Leadership Series. In this, there will be multiple videos coming up. The first video today I'm presenting the differences between manager versus leader, or understand the differences between these two. If you are not subscribed to my channel, request you to click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notification on every videos I publish. Let's understand who is the leader and who is the manager. On the screen, you can see the two images. In both, people are working, and there is a work. There are 5 people working, and there is a person who is leading or managing the team. In the first image, it is very clear the 5-member team will have the leader also supporting their work. He leads by example. He stands in the front and leads the work. In the second example, you can clearly make it out. The manager stands outside the work and he ensures all the work is done. He never participates in the work. He just orders and ensures the work is completed by hook or crook. So, this is the differences on the outset. Let's understand the differences in detail. In the first instance, manager always talks more. Whatever the followers has to say, he never listens. He just keeps talking, and whatever he tells will be the final. But leader always listens more. He always takes the inputs from the followers and then he decides which is the best option from the inputs given by the team members. This is the first difference. Let's see the second difference. The manager is always self absorbed. He always thinks what is my level, why I should do this. This is the work of the team members. If they are not done, I have to get it done. That's all. But as a leader always leads by examples. If there is problem in the team member, he goes there, he sits with the team member and helps him so that he leads by the example. He never commands or orders that whether you do it or not, I need the work to be completed by this time. No, that is always the manager's style, not by the leader. Let's see the next difference. Manager always tells it's me, me, me. Whatever he talks, he always gives example of I, me, and my. But a leader is always a team player. He never says it is me. He always says it's we. Means as a team we have completed this. As a team we have done this. Let's see the next difference. Manager always tells. He never listens. He tells the team. And even if somebody questions him back, he gets irritated. He gets annoyed. But leader always asks. He asks the opinion from the team members. As a leader, he gives opportunity to all the team members and gets all their inputs and then decides which is the best from the inputs taken. The next difference, manager always intimidates the followers. He never encourages the team. It's very rare. As a manager, he always insults or intimidates, or even he goes to the lowest possible level and tries to get the work done. But as a leader always inspires the team. He encourages the team for all their inputs, work, anything. He encourages the team members and gets the work done. The next difference is manager always dictates the team. He says whether you are good or bad, whether you are healthy or unhealthy, whether you have problems or not. I'm not here to listen. I need this work to be done. But a leader, he always facilitates. He ensures that the team member has all the amenities to complete the task. He always provides the facilities to the team member to complete the task in time. He is the facilitator. The next difference, manager is always judgmental, while leader is encouraging. Manager, he overviews the work and he decides, okay, this person is very bad. He never does the work in time. All these negative things or negativity is filled in the manager. He never supports, but a leader is always encouraging. If somebody is lagging behind, he encourages them and he ensures that the work is done in time because he is the leader. He leads by example. The last difference, manager always thinks, okay, if this work is done, how that benefits me? Or if this work is not done, how does this affects me? He never thinks about the team. But as a leader always thinks, how does this affects the team? Or if there is any work completed in time and getting the benefit, he always thinks of the team members. How I can give the benefits to my team members. This is the differences between the manager and leader. You can see these examples in your surroundings. Doing 100 things by self is not a leader. Instead, giving 100 opportunities to others and getting them opportunities is a leader. A leader always shines, but manager, he completes his term. That's all. He never shines because he always dictates and he ensures that everything is on his centric. But leader is always team centric. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button below. And if you think this video is interesting and informative, please share with your family and friends. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I request you to click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all the notification as and when my videos are uploaded to YouTube. And also, I thank you for watching this video. There are many more videos in my channel. Request you to watch other videos and please leave the comments to improve or to appreciate or to recognize and encourage my videos. Thank you. Thanks for your time.